So recently I made a Roblox velocity edit and nobody asked me for a tutorial, but I'm here to show you that how you can make this full velocity in After Effects. So without wasting any more time, let's dive into the video. But before that, I wanna say you that I'm commenting in English so everyone can understand me. By the way, my English is not that okay. So first of all, like you have to select a part which you want to velocity. Like these all my beats where I'm gonna do the velocity. So you can just cut your video how much the velocity you want. Like I'm gonna cut it like this. So after you cut it, just precomp it, like right click on your mouse and precomp it and give it a name what you want, and then tick this and tick this as well, and then hit OK. Now add Twixtor Pro effect to make your clip smoother and see how many frames your original video holds. It's in my case it's 60 fps, 60 frame rate, so I'm gonna set the frame rate 60 here as well. Then we're gonna just contract, edge, enhance, and motion with weighted blend. Now you can pre-comp your clip again, give it a name what you want, tick this and tick this. Now right click and go to time and enable time remapping. You can also use these keys, shortcut keys. Then go to very end of the video and cut it, like Ctrl Shift D and cut it by pressing delete button. Now all you have to do is just go to the frame, add a keyframe, go to the next frame, add a keyframe, next frame, add a keyframe, next frame, add a keyframe, next frame, add a keyframe. Oh shit. So I have done these all keyframes. Now just select these all keyframes and you can use this script called flow, or you can just click F9 first of all. Easy is them to make them graph editable, and then just make the graph one by one, or you can just select all the graph like me, zoom in the video and just go to the first graph like, and then make your graph. Make sure to make it good as possible, but it's kinda hard though. Like you can see my graph isn't good enough, but all the graphs are going to be the same as this one. So that's why I'm using flow script in this video, and if you want the flow script as well, you can just go into the description. You'll get my Discord and you can download the flow script from there. Just one click, you can do this all in just one click. So it's very helpful. Now if you see the edit, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope you like it, and if you like it, then like the video and subscribe to our channel and make sure to join our Discord, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. And also I'm gonna show you something, that if you want the full tutorial of this velocity edit, so just comment down and I'm gonna upload the full tutorial about it. That's how you can make these cool velocity edits in After Effects.